Alright guys, Apple just dropped the MacBook Neo. As you can see here in the back, we have 4 new colors. Absolutely incredible price to value ratio. MacBook Neo starts at $599 US. For a Mac, we've never seen that before. And I briefly want to share with you all the different colors. Just your first look, your hands-on of how the new MacBook Neo looks from close up, so you can make a better and informed decision which color to get. I'm going to share some of the new features with you as well. But yeah, let's dive into all the colors of the new MacBook Neo. All right, guys. So ladies first, we have here the new pink MacBook Neo. I think Apple calls this the soft color. It's actually called blush, so not pink. A very subtle pink, because if you put it next to the other one, the silver one, which you see right here, you can see it's a very subtle difference. And I think this one will be really interesting for the ladies among us. As you can see, the keyboard here, there is actually a difference in keyboard. I'm going to show you that in a bit. So here you have the keyboard only with the lock. And actually, if we go to this one, the silver one, you can see it has a Touch ID button. So this one is also a bit more expensive. So we have the silver one here. This is the more neutral color. We are familiar with that. Have a close look of the back, the very classic Apple silver that we're familiar with from the unibody MacBooks. If we have a closer look to the side, you can actually see that we have two USB-C ports. We have an audio jack here. This is for the speaker on the side. And then if we go to the other side, also a speaker grill. So yeah, that's the silver MacBook Neo. Really clean and minimal looking Mac. As you can see here on the right, we have the MacBook Neo in silver, and here it is in pink or blush. Yeah, really clean, minimal design. I think this one will work really well with the ladies. So here we have the yellow MacBook Neo, actually called Citrus. This is the one that really pops if you look at the color. Almost looks like a little bit like a lime green one. Gorgeous color, same two ports. And let's have a look at the inside at the keyboard. There you go. Awesome wallpaper. Incredible keyboard. We're familiar with it. I love the fact that you also see the color in the back of the keyboard. We have Touch ID here, and the Touch ID version is actually a bit more expensive than the one without Touch ID. And this one is priced at $699 US, and you get Touch ID, and you also get 512 gigabytes of storage for this one. So for $100 more, you get Touch ID and more storage. And I think the memory is more or less the same. Let me quickly check that. Yeah, still 8 gigabytes of unified memory. But yeah, this citrus color is really popping. I think this is going to be one of the best sellers. Really works well with the MacBook Neo, with the naming and this form factor. All right, guys. So lastly, the new blue finish. We call this the Indigo color. I think this one will work really well with the gentlemen among us. Gorgeous blue finish, a bit bold. And what I just heard is there's something really interesting about these trackpads on the MacBook Neo, and that is that this is mechanical. If you have a closer look and you press on it, you can see it's not actually the same as on the MacBook Pro models. It's slightly different. So yeah, really interesting to know why Apple did this, but it looks really clean. I think we still have just all the touch gestures we're familiar with. And yeah, this is the blue one. Gorgeous keyboard again. Speakers here on the side facing towards the sides, not going up, but facing from the sides. Our headphone jack and our two USB-C ports. So yeah, this is the Indigo one. I'd like to address one thing regarding the new MacBook Neo, and that is this is the first MacBook that has an iPhone chip in it. So we have the A18 Pro iPhone chip in here, and that obviously puts the price down. It makes it more affordable. It's just crazy that Macs now can have iPhone chips in there. Yeah, A18 Pro coming from the iPhone 16 models, iPhone 16 Pro obviously. But yeah, really nice to see that there's so much power in such a small and cheap device. What do you guys think about all the new MacBook Neo colors? The citrus one, indigo one. There we have the blush one or pink one, and in the back we can see we have the silver one.